The moment you walk up to this 2017 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 OPP, it's immediately clear this is not your average diesel pusher. Finished in stunning crimson full-body paint and sitting confidently on a tag-axle PowerGlide chassis, this coach carries the kind of presence that only a top-tier luxury motorhome can deliver. As you step inside, the craftsmanship immediately stands out. Rich glazed honey natural cherry cabinetry surrounds the interior, beautifully paired with the woodcrest decor package and way ultra leather seating throughout the coach. On the driver's side, premium theater seating offers true living room comfort, while the passenger side features an air coil hide-a-bed sofa with a hidden lift television that rises smoothly at the touch of a button and disappears cleanly when not in use. Moving into the kitchen, this coach was clearly designed for serious travelers and full-time living. The upgraded Wolf cooktop provides professional-grade cooking performance, complemented by solid surface countertops, an expandable kitchen island, a residential stainless steel refrigerator, convection microwave with exterior venting, and even a drawer-style dishwasher. Every inch feels thoughtfully designed for long-term comfort and functionality. Toward the rear of the coach, the private bedroom continues the residential feel with a true king-size memory foam mattress, overhead ceiling fan, stacked washer and dryer, bedside USB charging, solar and privacy shades, and a discreet built-in wall safe. And stepping into the rear bathroom, the residential design really comes together. The contrasting white chocolate cabinetry creates a bright, upscale feel that separates the bath from the warmer tones of the living space. You'll find a large, solid surface vanity with excellent lighting, plenty of storage, and a spacious glass-enclosed shower with a skylight overhead that fills the room with natural light. Combined with the heated tile floors and electric flush toilet, the entire rear bath feels more like a luxury hotel suite than a motorhome. Back outside, the feature list continues. Dual Paramount awnings extend your outdoor living space with ease, while the exterior entertainment center with swivel-mounted television turns any campsite into an outdoor lounge. Underneath, the basement storage is massive, offering 175 cubic feet of pass-through storage along with a slide-out storage tray, and even a dedicated basement freezer and refrigerator for extended travel. From the unmatched service history to the indoor storage, premium upgrades, and exceptional condition throughout, this 2017 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 OPP represents one of the finest luxury diesel pushers available on the market today. To view all the photos, see the MSRP and complete details of this stunning motorhome. Click the link in the description below.